In this video, I'll be sharing how you can schedule messages on WhatsApp Business, on WhatsApp, how you can schedule your emails, calls, and SMS. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you're new here, you're welcome. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's get started. Let's head to the Play Store now and download this app. To the Play Store now, we are downloading Skedit WhatsApp Automator. This app has 3.1 rating and about 1 million downloads. About this app, you can schedule WhatsApp messages, status, and auto replies. You can schedule SMS, emails, and calls. So we install this app, open it, give all the permissions, and we are good to go. It is installed now, so we open it. This is Skedit WhatsApp Automator. You can sign in with your Facebook account or you create an account. Agree to the terms of use and privacy by checking this box here and continue. You can create an account or sign in with your Facebook account. This is Skedit. Give all the permissions. Allow. Once you've installed this app, open it, giving all the accessibility permissions. This is the interface you will see. Click on this plus sign here. When you click here, you can see WhatsApp Business, WhatsApp, email, call, or SMS. Whichever one you want to schedule a message or a call to, you can select it. I will select WhatsApp for now. This is scheduled to, is it a contact or to your status, to WhatsApp broadcast list, or you just want to add a recipient. Choose the recipient from either phone book or WhatsApp, or you can mix both. Okay. Here, you type your message. Your message should not be more than 500. You can see 500 here. If you want to send an attachment, you can select this and send an attachment. Once you are done, click on the date you want this message to be sent. Don't forget to click OK. Select the time you want this message to be sent. If you want this app to seek for your permission before sending this message, check here. Ask me before sending. That means before this message will be sent to your recipient, this app will seek for your permission. If you want to drip message campaign or you need a template, you can select here, but you have to subscribe to Skedit Premium to offer this action. As well as this, if you want to drip message campaign, you have to subscribe to Skedit Premium to perform this action. Let's see the next one, which is how to send email. You can schedule an email with Skedit. From this should be you, and to the person you want to send this message to, you should type your subject here. Here will be your message. If you want to send an attachment, of course, you can use this. Schedule it here. This is for the day and this is for the time. If you want this message to be repeated, you can select it here. For this, you have to subscribe to Skedit Premium to perform this action. Okay? If you want this app to remind you or ask for your permission before sending this message, don't forget to check this place. Let's see the next one. This is for calls. Here, you have to input the number of the person you want to call. If you want to keep a note for yourself, maybe a reminder about what this call is all about, you can input it here, schedule the day you want this call to be made, and of course the time. For these calls, the ask me before calling is always on, unlike the WhatsApp that they can send the message to your recipient without your permission if you didn't give it. But for calls, they must alert you before calling your recipient. Okay? Ask me before calling is always on. Next one is for SMS. Let's get to SMS. Here, in case you have two SIM cards on your phone, you have to select which one you want this SMS to be sent from. Here should be the number of the person you are sending this to. If you are selecting from your list, click on this human icon here. Here, send the message you are sending to your recipient and of course, schedule the dates and the time. Once you are done, if you want this app to take permission from you before sending this message, make sure you click here, ask me before sending, and your permission will be sought before this SMS will be sent. So guys, go ahead and schedule messages on WhatsApp and phone, as well as calls, emails, and WhatsApp business messages. I will see you in my next one. Please don't forget to like this video, share with your loved ones, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.